peacock. Peacock. Number 1. Oh, there's things in here.
You gotta read it out loud.
Oh, since you are probably missing your Mustang right now, here's Lightning McQueen.
What is it? Did Santa get you a car? He did. He got you a Mustang. A red Mustang. A new Mustang.
Now you can't complain. You got a stain.
You got a new Mustang.
I'm gonna cry.
That's too cute.
I miss my car. Your car.
My car. You missed my car?
Okay, number 2. Uh-oh. I'm waiting on her to...
Okay, you're good.
She's like, what? Number 2. All my coworkers heard about the trouble we've been having getting you a car, so they chipped in and bought you one. What? It looks like the green truck.
Oh, it does.
Okay, I'm probably gonna have more, so might as well just make a collection.
Look at all those cars you're getting for... Man, I never got that many cars for Christmas.
Jeez.
Jeez, Santa's been really...
There we go.
He's had a good year. There we go.
Wait. Okay. No, no. I'm going. Well, at least you got it open.
On here. I'm not sure.
Okay. Papa was sad when he heard about your car. He wanted to buy you one.
Are you kind of wondering where this is going? Because I'm kind of wondering myself. Why are you getting toy cars?
It's a Batman car.
It's a Batmobile. That's cute.
Don't look at me. I didn't do it.
You got 3
You got 3 cars for Christmas.
This is not a funny joke, guys. It's not a funny joke.
What are you telling Dad for? Santa did it.
If this blows up into a real size car, I might die.
It pops out at you.
Does it?
It's one of those
Boom!
Jack in the Box cars.
You still believe? Look a little harder. I don't know what to believe right now because there's a Mustang, a truck, and then I better have something to put them in. Where is it? Oh!
She's in her good shoes, too.
I know she is. You gotta read it out loud.
You're in your good shoes.
It's okay, I don't care. Lori, I'm so sorry to hear about Starbuck. I remember the Christmas I chose you to look after him.
Oh.
You did a great job. This car is not a bunny. Oh, I'm out of breath. But I hope you enjoy it. I also hope you don't mind that I had to use it in place of my sled. It's got much great gas mileage. Merry Christmas and Santa. P.S. Reindeer hood prints should buff out. Hey, Lori, you never noticed, but we had it across the street in the neighbor's driveway.